Hi, this is Fisher from Circuit Board Medics, and today we're going to talk about the 2006 to 2018 Ram 2500 and 3500 ABS module, also known as the EBC440. If you've had ABS issues, you know just how frustrating it can be, and in today's video we're going to talk about what common symptoms to look for and the best way to get your vehicle up and running smoothly. The EBC440 was used in a range of years for the Ram 2500 and 3500. As well as certain years of the GMC and Chevy trucks. This module commonly fails and causes a variety of issues including communication loss, the ABS pump motor constantly being stuck on, and various other ABS pump codes. This failure is something that should not be left unfixed, as your ABS system is one of your vehicle's most important safety features. Unfortunately, getting the module replaced and reprogrammed can be a costly endeavor, with most dealerships and shops charging over $1,000. If the correct replacement can even be found. We've developed a repair for this module to address the root cause of the issue, save you hundreds of dollars, and get you back up and running smoothly. We fully rebuild this module to not only fix your current issues, but to address any future problems. All you need to do is ship your module to us, we'll repair it in 1 business day, and we'll ship it back to you, complete with a 1-year warranty. If you have an ABS module that you would like to have repaired, you can visit our website at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.